So your 2005 Toyota Sienna will not shift. Well, this is what the problem is. This thing breaks. It's got something in there, and then when you shift it, it will not take the this is what happened. That thing broke, so it doesn't use that to be able to shift. So I already took out all the plastics, but to open it up, you unbolt that. It's a 10-inch. Here, there's 2 on here, and you can take this off just holding it like this. You can watch a video on how to take this off. But what I did was, because my wife was parked in somewhere else, so what I did was I used a I had not taken the plastic out, so I just put a flathead screwdriver and pushed it in, and then I switched to reverse, got out of the parking lot, and then I switched it back to drive, and then drove home. And then, you know, now I can do all these repairs. I didn't have to pay a tow truck. It was gonna be hard also because I was stuck in park. So I'm gonna post a video, and then I'm gonna show you the solution that I did, because there's actually 4 different solutions that you can use on this if you have this kind of setup. I will show you the one I chose, and then you can choose your own decision. So these are the 2 parts that I bought. This one I just want to double secure it, and this is the piece that you're gonna need. This piece, this piece, you're gonna put it right through the middle here. So I'm gonna pause the video and continue. Well, I was gonna use these universal E-clip assortments just in case, but this thing's pretty tight. I'm holding it right there, and it's pretty tight after I put the clear ship linkage bushing kit that I bought from AutoZone. It was pretty hard to get it in there, but what I did was I clamped one side, and then I pushed it through with the pliers all the way in. Put a little grease on it too. So I'm ready to get back and put everything back, because this thing works fine. What you really want to see is this. Well, I can't. I gotta put my brake on there. Hang on a second here. I'm not turning on the car, but I just want you to see. This is what you want to see. Okay, because what happens is this thing comes off, that thing comes off, and then you got that problem where you shift and the car won't shift. Okay, so that's it. Now I just got to put everything back, and let me pause this video, and then I'll see if I need anything else. But this is what it should look like, secured. If that breaks, then you'll have that problem. So here's the scoop. In an emergency, you really need to just take this screw out, these two screws out, take these guys out, these 2, and then on the side, you could just see right here, you could just push this through, go in reverse, going forward, whatever you need to do, go home, and then, you know, you don't need to take off all this stuff, right? But to do the job and to try to get this thing in there, I'd rather take all the stuff out, which is here, and You can watch other videos on how to do that. I'm just going to put everything back up now because this thing's secured, so it won't come off now. So that's it. This is the Toyota 2005 Sienna. Well, it won't shift. This is, you could just unscrew this. It will not shift. You can shift it here and it will not go forward or reverse. Well, the problem is this little lever right there. You need to put it breaks, and then you just need to put it back in there. You buy that kit that I showed you at AutoZone. I also have a link for Amazon if you guys want to shop on Amazon. It's like 30 bucks, $29.99. It's easier to work with, much easier to work with on the on this thing. There's another guy, I'll show you some, where he just drilled a hole here and he put like a cotter pin and a washer. That's another way. I mean, it's up to you. You can do whatever you want, but I don't want to drill any holes in my van. Okay, so I'm putting this back right there. These are the screws that you need to get in there. This guy right there, this guy right here, and we continue on. So I continue with this one, and then you got one here. Okay, then we're gonna go with this guy. I clipped these guys. They were not hooked up, so I hooked them up, and I'm finishing it right here. Okay. Okay, and this guy is gonna go in here, but first I have to put in a screw here, and then I gotta get all these guys out there. So now that I put this screw in, it's time to put these guys back. These are just pressure. That's it. A little rough there, but it's looking good now. We just need this side. So that's it. The only thing left to do is put this thing on, and then this thing on. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. Thank you very much. All right, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Again, like and subscribe if this helped you. And this is Pete from Like My Tech. Have a good one. Bye-bye.